Hey everyone, thanks for coming in and welcome to MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since I've done a video, so I figured I'd do a quick unboxing. Show something simple, something easy, something for me to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing of a Philips Sonicare 5100 electric toothbrush. Thought it'd be a good comeback video because straightforward, useful, and honestly, I'm curious to actually see what's in the box and what this toothbrush looks like up close. So let's open it up and let's take a look. Here's the box for the Philips Sonicare 5100. Right on the front, you can see the toothbrush. The packaging gives you a quick idea of the main features. Here's the box for the Philips Sonicare 5100. Right on the front, you can see the toothbrush, and the packaging gives you a quick idea of the main features. Before I open it, this is one of those products that a lot of people may be considering if they want to upgrade from a manual toothbrush or from an older electric toothbrush. So in this video, I just want to keep it simple and show you exactly what you're going to get. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Take that out. I'm assuming that's like a travel case. First thing inside, we have the toothbrush handle itself, which is this here. It's very clean. As you can see, I'm pulling it right out of the packaging. Very clean. It's definitely got that typical Philips Sonicare design. This is the second one that I bought. Actually, I don't know whether the camera's going to pick it up. It actually shown it has a charge. Wow. Is it? Yes, it does. It has a charge. The charger base right here, which, to be honest, it looks exactly like the one that I currently have. It's quite simple. The hole on the bottom there goes on there, and it charges this way. So it's really simple. This is the part you use this to keep it charged up when it's not in use. Then, of course, comes with one toothbrush head. I think these are going to be the same as the ones that I have for my old one. And then, of course, here's the paperwork. It's usually a quick start guide in here. An extended warranty, and different languages. So I'll go through this in a little bit. Taking a closer look at the toothbrush itself, the handle feels pretty solid in the hand, has a sleek design, and the buttons are really easy to see and press. The brush head, it snaps easily right on here, like so. And once it's attached, it gives you a better idea of the full size and shape. It looks compact enough to use comfortably, but it's still substantial enough to feel like a quality product. The other thing that comes with it is it does have a nice traveling case. That was one of the things with my old Philips electric toothbrushes. Couldn't take it with me when I went on vacation because I didn't have anything to put it in. I was afraid it was going to break, but this is it's a nice solid plastic case. Should be pretty sturdy. Doesn't open, and you got all the room in here to put everything with it. So that's very nice. This is a nice touch that they didn't used to put with the old electric toothbrushes. So yeah, that's actually pretty good. With the Philips Sonicare 5100, it has several options. As you can see right now, we got power, okay, and it is, oh, guess what? I just lost power. See if I can turn it back on. Oh, there we go. Guess it goes back on and off. But what you can do is you can change it to whitening and gum care, and then back to clean. Okay, this is the head, the toothbrush. This is how easily it goes on. Boom, slides right in like that. You have protective cover, protect from spray, germs, anything like that. Comes right off like that. And let's power it up and see how it looks. Not bad. So that's the cleaning. Let's go to whitening, see if it's a different tone. Here, you can hear it's got a little more vibration to it. And then let's go down here to gum care. And that's a little less, which makes sense. You'd want it to be a little bit less on the gums, a little gentler. You don't want to tear those apart. And like I said, you just pop it right on the stand to charge it up. Put the head back on it like that, or the cover. Okay, my first impression of the Philips Sonicare 5100, it's quality made, very sturdy. Philips, I mean, they make really nice toothbrushes. They last a long time. So I wasn't too worried about the quality of the build. As far as the unboxing goes, uh, that was really easy. Everything was neatly packaged. It was wrapped sanitarily. It's going in your mouth, so you really want it to be sanitary. I'm happy with the way that it was packaged. That was really good, really good. So yeah, it's like I said, it's quality Philips. That's all I got to say is Philips. They do great uh, electric toothbrushes and oral care. So you can't beat them. Okay, so that was the unboxing of the Philips Sonicare 5100 electric toothbrush. Uh, it was a nice simple video for me to get back into the swing of things. Very straightforward, quick, simple, nice video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up on the bottom. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these videos, so if you want to subscribe, you'll be able to see the videos as soon as they come out. I really do appreciate you watching the video, and like I said, hopefully I'll get a little bit better. I am very rusty. It's been quite a while since I've done a video, but I hope to get back in the swing of things. The other thing also on this video, it's the first time I've ever done one of the vlogs, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, on an iPhone. So let me know what you think about the quality. That being said, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will see you guys again real soon.